This is day 3, and I am broadcasting live from the side of the road. Like, for real? Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, cars going by constantly. My dad was changing a tire. So, yeah. This is fun. Like sitting here being bored. I got a slushie. Looks kind of nasty. It's green apple and watermelon. Yeah. So. Yeah. Today I went house hunting, which I have a video of, and I went to Olive Garden and I tried a lemon for the first time, which I also have a video of that I put up, and yeah, today's been a fun day. I'm wearing my turquoise pants and my turquoise eyeshadow, and I'm a dork. So, yeah, just hanging out on the side of the road. It's fun. My dad's changing a tire, or was changing a tire. Yeah. So, oh, look at my shoes, oh. The van. See this? See that? Yeah, they're pretty. They look like they have gum on the bottom, but it's cute. Alrighty. Come on. Gotta come. Hey, Daddy. Hi, Dad. And that's it. Party. That's my dad's truck. Oh, yes. Random car passing by. This is the house. Look. Ah! I tripped.
Oh my God, I saw a speck of a deck on the back.
Looks pretty cool. Again. Like the door. Cool door. Gonna look in. I don't know if you can see in or not. No. I don't know. Okay, so we are house hunting or whatever. Do you hold it this way? Or no? House hunting. Yeah. Yeah, you're on your tiptoes. It's kind of cool. Look into the backyard. Look at that. Nice garage. Look at the... Candace! Look at this. Oh, this is so dance party stage.
I like the stairs, though.
I like the tree.
I'll have to redo them stairs.
Why?
Huh?
Why? I like the tree. The garage is cool. You like the yard. Ah! Get it off me! Get it off me! Get it off me!
Oh my God. What?
Spider web! Get it off! Maybe I can still feel it on.